Hard work, commitment leads for positive result. Disclaimer: Kumar Analysis Educational Academy Live Market Practice Trading. Kumar Analysis Excel Practice Trading is the trading efficiency. Those who are serious in trading, they must be read feedback carefully and plan yourself and else follow market professionals. Is a alert call, half reading, half watching, injurious for your working capital. So Profit Club last year 2020 they profited about 66 lakhs, around 467 calls observed. The rules of the trade is 1 lot and 4 tools. So in front of you the natural gas futures CFD, the 50 minutes candle cycle, the Monday live, that is the 9th September live. So right now the price is at about the $2.20. It was drifted, so from last closing basis of last week of Friday, that was to be closing price was at about $2.29, whereas right now trading at about $2.20. It means that about 9 cents was down seen here today. So that Asian market opening, and also that is now that Europe market also already open. So according to our observation, that what we discussed about, that the Profit Club call number, especially the call number 2, that is the STPT call, sold at about 2.269 in the terms of dollars. So where is that the Profit Club September call number 2, the STPT call closed at about 2.185. This is in terms of dollars. I would like to show that is in Indian rupee also. This is the price where to be that is activated is, so that right now that also that is here right now is also almost also same price is actually this is the price of order, but I would like to close. This was closed already, so it is at about $2.195 at about. So that is the call closed. So that is the STPT call, that what we expected the pre-plan. So that was to be that if it is a little bit open, that was to be the in range. So whereas that is this is the range of pink color is to be that is a wide range of little bit wide range of the but supporting price, whereas that is a big downside. This is the big down, otherwise the upside above. This one is the upside, that is a 2.30 above is the upside. If it is a hold, that is a matter to be the Monday gaps. So that was to be drifted to the below this one, so that we are, so that our call is to be active in positive result. And right now that the situation is like that the super trend is acting as resistance at about 2.20, where now according to this color of this one. So according to pre-plan, we provided that is especially the call closing of STPT, and to be that that next if it is plan, if you are profit, that is short-term intraday basis, the entry of here provided 2.185, and the stop loss is about 2.171, and the profit at about 2.323, that is to be pre-planned. So that was here the provided, but according to time we will change that one. So that is that also that only for few hours up to this level. And next according to this level to be the prices to be decided. So that is a matter about that is a natural gas live today. So after drifted the price. So now come to the point about the MCX Indian rupee price for the Indian people. So this is a price where that is the crucial observation of resistance. What I provided is 186.50 and 187.70 and 188.50, whereas that is support what I discussed in the early. So that was to be the, this is the crucial support is a 185.10 and 183.30 and 180.50. So that was to be provided the early pre-plan. So that was to be Profit Club call number 2, that was STPT call of sold at about 190.30, that was recovered at 190 185.30 paisa. So that was to be call closed here, that I would like to enter that one. So that was closed about 185.30 after Indian market open, that the least what we seen at 184.80. So this is a live screen of a 50 minutes candle cycle. So that was the according to time. So that what we discussed about that the levels, again Indian rupee and the BTST call if required, that when you in profit, that to be that that already shown in dollar terms. So that was to be same as is here, that what I provided here. So the entry point altogether Indian rupee price, that is the entry point of 183.50 or 184.50. So that is initial my plan. So where is that is the stop loss is according to that is entry price. So that is this is a stop loss. Stop loss might be hit, that is a different issue. So please mind that the different stop losses is necessary to according to your risk taking. So that was to be matter. So that is the 189.50 is the maximum, but it may possible, may not possible. That my opinion of so levels. So according to the situation you supposed to be follow, that was to be 186.50 and 187.70, 188.50, that all to be the according to the time. So the time is already provided from here to here, and that I already told that is the evening hours, maybe that again reverses possibility is more. So according to the time we will see that what the probability, but that is whatever here discussion had about that entry, the who is profit, they can take with the help of stop losses. That I think so that is a 183.50 is maybe not possible right now, that is in next 1-2 hours or so. So that to be then modified from my end according to the times observation. So that is my plan. So this is about that natural gas trading at 185.20, that was right now. So that which is we closed at about 185.30, that least is at about 184.80, and we seen at about 184.40.50, that's all only. So that is whatever than 190 is to be that opening click. So that to be that thing over about that is I mean to be that any reversal to be probability. So that is the update about that is a live screen. So that what we closed it up with STBT, and to be that is a opinion is to be that is a intraday a few hours of 1-2 rupees profited about a BTST. Then again to be the application of STBT, maybe my plan according to the right now plan. So now come to the point about that WTI crude oil futures. So that is CFC in Indian rupee price. This is a MCX Indian rupee price, which is we entry taken about that closing on the basis of closing of on Friday. That was to be entry price is about BTST call of call number 3 of Profit Club is about 56.68. That is a 56.68. So 56.68 the stop loss we recommended on that day, that is was it about 5,631. The target expected of that is today, that if any gap down, otherwise to be closing basis to be supposed to be closed. That was to be the that day what I provided here, the 58.25 and 59.85. That will be the I mean to be expectation, but not on the day. That is even that carry forward, that is the plan, but risk is always existing. So that closed at about today at about 57.70. That is the call of September call number 3 of Profit Club, that was closed. And here that was to be the what I discussed in the weekend comments also, that is the risky based and that reversal that was to I spoken about, that the candle of the last Friday's that candle. So this is the candle, the daily data chart is here. That is a candle between at about 56, 57 to 59. That is to be observation for next 3 days. That is a plan. So what I told, so that was to be that I told that is this I mean to be that candle will be open as the above this one in between. So that was to be done. So that was class the profit that we closed that one, and to be that if required we will take that re-entry that one. So this is matter about that WTI crude oil futures CFD. There's MCX rupees, and would like to discuss in the CFD also. Before that we will go for the live screen of that MCX Indian rupee price of the WTI crude oil. So live platform right now showing that is the crude oil is the MCX price is about Indian rupee the 57.53 right now, the 49 points up, but the early was 57.76. what we see in the opening price is 57.64. the early was the holded that 57.70 around. So that was to be closed. I was as according to our discussion in the weekend comments. So that was the early was the closed. The stands at about 57.60 and 57.70 at about 1.5 hours. So that was the after the before Europe market open, that was a call closed. So this is feedback to you all about the Profit Club and about personal call trade of natural gas futures. That was to be that the Fridays. So that was to be closed at that today the 185.83. even that our practice are practical. So that was to I mean to short at about the 191.30. that is the active price of that on the day. So today we closed it about 185.30 paisa. So come to the point about the WTI crude oil CFD. Right now the price is about $68.33. So that was to be that hold at the after Asian market moment. That is yesterday's where what our entry of that last week of Friday. That was the entry what made here on the basis of which is the meant to be the in MCX price. That was the least supporting price. So that was we taken an entry that was to be on chance of a little bit profit. So that was to be the active to positively done in that call. So that was to be right now that is 200 DM. Still it is not to be crossover done about 69.10. The 200 DM that will be chance of maybe a crossover to be probability. We will check out that is according to the time only. So this is about that WTI crude oil futures CFD that was right now trading at about 68.33. That was the highest made today is about 68.78. That will be going to cut off. The probability is more in the evening hours, maybe possibility. So this is update about the WTI crude oil as well as the natural gas, the energy sector, the future trading in MCX as well as that is CFDs. Good luck.